Welcome to 105 Southeast Barber Road in the Madras Ranchos. This single-level home is 1,743 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths with a 2-car attached garage and a solar system with battery backup, making it so whenever the power goes out, the solar system charges your batteries and it can control and run everything. Really a sweet setup. Central electric heat pump with AC. Gorgeous mountain views. Today it's smoky. We had a couple fires break out from a recent lightning storm, but straight ahead, you can see it hiding there in the smoke. That's Jefferson. And then you have Olali Butte. It's a little obscured now too. And you can also see Sisters and Hood from different places. The lot is huge. The yard is fenced. I'll show you around inside, out, and give you all the details. Now inside the front door, moving through the living room, one of 3 fireplaces in the home. There on the right-hand side, it's wood burning. Normally, I'd zoom out this window and show you some of the coolest views in all of Madras, with Jefferson straight ahead. But today we've got a little fire on Green Ridge. I'll update this video as the skies clear up, but really beautiful views, panoramic from right in here. Now into the dining room. That door on the left leads into the attached garage. Breakfast bar, really big kitchen with a pantry. Fridge and dishwasher are new. The range is propane and it's newer as well, only a couple years old. Awesome window here in the kitchen looking out to the east towards the Ochicos. Nice vent fan, good lighting. That buffet is awesome. There's good storage there. The coat closet by the front. Now looking at that foyer that we started the tour, looking at that space. I guess I should also mention the other fireplace is right here for the living area. And there's one in the primary. I'll show that as well. Thermostat for the central heating system, skylight above us here. Moving back into the primary. It's huge, has its own fireplace, fits a king bed and a couch with comfort. Nice windows, good privacy. Really great lighting. A little morning prep area with its own window. Into the bathroom with obscured glass. The shower's behind there. Nice walk-in for the closet. And that door that you saw in the back of the primary bath leads out to the hot tub and backyard. These bedrooms are really big. This one could easily fit a king bed and still have an office and lay in your king bed and look out the window right at Jefferson. On a normal day, it'd be right there where that plume's coming up. Really big space though. I have a solar tube in here, love those. Nighttime, it's great, keeps a little bit of ambient light. The 2 guest bedrooms, slightly smaller than the other, equally good view to the west. Fits a queen bed. Not a king in here, but you can fit a queen real easy. The utility room, conveniently located between all the bedrooms, has its own window, some storage. All the appliances come with the home. And the guest bathroom. big vanity, really great built-in storage, tub shower combination, new comfort height, elongated bowl toilet, crank out windows. All the windows in here are double pane. Most of them are wood, a few are vinyl, really high quality. Just an amazingly upgraded home, great layout, ready to go. Perfectly dialed. Now in the backyard, you can see more of the solar panels. The workshop over here, great place for your tractor and lawn tractor, and the little workspace inside that covered portion that's squared off. Nice shop. And then a really good new back deck leading into the kitchen / dining area. And this hot tub, perfect condition. Circular leads into the primary suite. Fully fenced backyard, ready for you to plant your grass. Kind of a blank slate, but very nice. Super private and ready to go.